Hi and welcome to Frauscher Talks. My name is Thomas, and in this video I would like to give you an introduction to Frauscher Insights Motion. Frauscher Insights Motion, our mobile field management application, delivers comprehensive digital support for field service operations. With Motion, all information is easily accessible on mobile devices during on-site commissioning, maintenance and troubleshooting. Insights Motion enables the improvement of operational efficiency and the streamlining of tasks and field operations for dispatchers, team leads and field technicians. All relevant details and information are clearly communicated and available on site, therefore eliminating the need for queries or searches. This is achieved thanks to various features in the application, which we will now explore in greater detail. Frauscher Insights Motion is an application for mobile use. This means that the application must provide necessary information to on-site staff at all times, without being dependent on a mobile network. Even without an active internet connection, checklists can be easily edited and they will be synchronized when the application is connected to the platform. The integrated task overview clearly lists all tasks related to defects and recurring maintenance procedures, installations or commissionings. Information such as descriptions, photographs, defect categories or due dates can be noted directly on a failed check or recorded on its own. Historical information can be displayed for all activities and elements, giving the user a complete overview. Completed reports can also be exported as a PDF document. Frauscher Insights Motion is a tool that gives the user the ability to collect data directly on site. Furthermore, the user can also record defects in the picture format and add them to the checklist with the help of the integrated photo documentation feature. Thanks to GPS information, elements and assets can be displayed on an integrated geographical map. Predefined checklists support the user with step-by-step instructions for troubleshooting and documentation. Content can be provided in various formats, such as numbers, multiple choices, text boxes, or as calculations. Tasks from diagnostics can be seamlessly synchronized to Motion with a single click and also automatically. Once an error occurs, the information is transferred from the wheel sensors and processed through the central data storage. From there, the required solution for the error is displayed in diagnostics. With this information, the solution task can be assigned to teams and to individual engineers. The responsible people on site will receive a notification pop-up with details about the task. After the problem is solved, the collected data can be sent back to diagnostics. Reports are also available as PDF documents for further processing. To sum up, Frauscher Insights Motion is the perfect addition to Frauscher Insights Diagnostics. Thanks to the mobile application, the user can combine the advantages of intelligent data analysis and on-site problem solutions while reducing costs, time, and avoiding repeating errors. Thank you for watching our videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in our next episode of Frauscher Talks.